Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2009 MasterCraft X15 for sale. This is one of the cleanest boats we've ever got in on trade, especially for the year. This has a beautiful vinyl. It's white gray with the blue accent that matches the blue exterior of the boat. We have a removable decadence flooring. This is an upgrade even for new boats. It is custom fit into the floor so you don't have anything obstructing your walkway to make you trip. It's very soft on the feet and it stays cool. You can just hose it down and put it right back in the boat. This engine has 502.8 engine hours on it. It has been meticulously maintained here at MarineMax Nisswa. It is the 350 horsepower MCX MasterCraft Extreme high output inboard. It throws an awesome wake. It's perfect for wake surfers, wakeboarders, and water skiers. There's a great pylon here in the back as well as on the tower. This is the JL audio system with 4 speaker cans, beautiful interior tweeters that help add a little bit of treble to the great bass that's already existing inside of this boat with that subwoofer right behind the driver. We have a digital LCD screen at the helm that shows you video options, trim, ballast right from the helm. We have a 12-volt receptacle here so you can stay charged all day long or plug in your air compressor to blow up tubes and inflatables. Even the storage underneath the seats is so clean with this gray carpet finish. We have a Clarion audio system head unit with their stereo remote so you can control the tunes from anywhere in the boat. We have 2 retractable heater hoses to keep you warm and dried off quickly, even on those chilly early morning ski sessions. There's a cockpit table, as you can see, with integrated cup holders. There are cup holders all the way around the boat, and so much more to see here. This is truly an upgraded boat for its year, even with the swivel clamping board racks and the awesome bimini that expands over the front side of the boat. This is included with the trailer and it won't last long here at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, so come see it today. We can't wait to help you and your family enjoy boating season 2026 on your next boat.